I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the Kenya curls. You know, how to have that big, bouncy, curly hairstyle for your night out, you know, girls night out. Oh, I can't even get the words out. Anyway, first of all, let me show you what I use, because I don't use the traditional rollers with the spikes, because for Marley hair or Kanakalon hair, you know, the kinky hair, when you're trying to take out the curls, if you use the spiky ones, it's going to absolutely ruin the curls. So, what I use, the Remington Jumbo Curls. It comes with 12 rollers. I'll show you what it looks like. At the moment I've got it plugged because I'm going to use it for this tutorial. So it comes like this. The rollers are in there, like open and close, you know. You have the medium size rollers and you have the larger size rollers. So, and the rollers are very smooth. Can you see? Can you hear that? Like nice and smooth. So when you're taking out the curls, you just let it slide. Just let it slide out, so it doesn't ruin your... Okay guys, what I didn't mention is that I had to blow dry my hair out just to make it, you know, smooth. So you've got no knots in it when you're about to put your rollers in. So I've done the blow drying part. If you haven't seen how to maintain the hair, I've got a video, just look for it somewhere in my video list. So how to maintain the straight hair. So I've just blow dried mine. I am going to show you how to use it. First of all, you just want to... Oh, this hair is completely dead. It is dead. I thought I'd do this video before I take it out, because I'm gonna do a new style. You know, your girl only likes to keep her hair in for about 2 or 3 minutes. Anyway, in the box it comes with hair clips and more hair clips. You get this too, just to secure it when you put it in. So I section it depending on how much curls I want. I just section the hair, roll it round, just keep rolling. Take a hair clip, pin it in. This is going to be more like a blind job. You know, you have to go like the 3 blind ones, because you can't see what you're doing. I like to put the big ones at the front, and I like to roll them. I like to roll them in different directions. So at the moment I'm flicking and rolling up. Then the next one I'm going to do, I might roll it down. I'll show you what I mean. So at the moment, just trying to put the hairpin in. Sorry, this is taking long. I'll do one more and then I'm going to come off camera just to show you what it looks like finished. And then we'll take it from there. So let me just do one more, show you guys. Back to the sender. Back to the sender. Back to the sender. Back to the sender. Them believe in juju, I believe in Jesus. Now money they find you, that's why they hustle every day. No mama, no papa, but I know I go make 'em. My swag they made them sleep, everything I do. I didn't mention, obviously you need to plug it and you need to leave the heater. Let's do that again. To plug the rollers, and you need to leave it plugged in for about, I would say 20 minutes. Maybe not that long, but I would say 20 minutes just to be on the safe side. Or even half an hour whilst you're getting dressed. Before you get dressed, you plug it in, you put it on, then depending on how tight you want the curls, you can leave them in for from 20 minutes up to about 45 minutes. Obviously, if it's in your hair, it's just gonna cool down whilst it's in your hair. It's not like it's gonna still continue heating up. But whilst you're getting dressed, you know, we ladies, we can take like 2 hours to get dressed. You can just tie your scarf and leave it in and let it just simmer. Let it take.
Always do my side. I the now see me child, I'm on my way. Bad people won't see me go down, but I no fear cause they know the God oh. I the now see me child, I'm on my way. Bad people won't see me go down, but I no fear cause they know the God oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Na na na. Some say this, some say that. I do this, I do that. Oh la 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 la. Si be my flame eboko samuni fata. Oh la 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 la. Si be mendi mile hone mi apofi. Oh la 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 la. Muni skabwe mule jigaga si agame. Oh la 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 la. Si be fuga boy milano dispele muame. Ole jila umare agere zenda. Ole jila umare agere zenda. Ole jila umare agere zenda. Mule tubela domene no. Jibe machi agere zenda. Ole jila umare agere zenda. Ole jila umare agere zenda. Ole jila umare agere zenda.
Right. Yes, so this is what it looked. And just take the brush and just brush the top of the hair. Not all the way to the bottom. You can do it, you can do all the way to the bottom, but because my hair, I haven't blow dried it I haven't straightened it out to make it extra silky, because I like volume. But say if your hair is silky, then you can do that. Anyway, this is me brushing it out now. So guys, that's how you get the curls in your crochet install. Doesn't take that long. Just put it in before you go out, and by the time you're ready, take out the curls. This is what you get. Nice curls. Anyway, if you liked the video, if you think, you know, it was helpful, don't forget to like it, comment, share, subscribe. Help a sister out, you know, just support here and there. It's much appreciated. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the next video.